In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a text overlay image in Elementor. Whether you're aiming to create a more engaging website or simply want to spruce up your visuals, mastering this technique can give your content that professional touch. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, navigate to Pages and select the page you wish to edit. If you're starting fresh, you can also create a new page by clicking the Add New button. This will give you a blank canvas to work on and to bring your creative ideas to life. Once you're in the Elementor editor, it's time to add a section where your image will reside. Start by clicking on the little plus icon to add a new section. A pop-up will ask you to select a structure. For most cases, one column should suffice. This gives you a straightforward layout to place your image and text efficiently. With your section in place, it's time to add the background image. Click on the section you just created, and in the panel on the left, you'll see the Style tab. Go ahead and click it. Under Background, you'll find the option to add an image. Click Choose Image and upload the one you'd like to use. Whether it's from your computer or media library, ensure the image resonates with the message or vibe you want to convey. Remember, a compelling image can be the foundation of a striking design. Now that you've set the image, let's add some text. Head over to the Elementor Widgets panel. Locate the heading widget. It looks like a big T, and drag it onto your canvas over your image. Instantly, you'll see the placeholder text appear. Click on it, and in the widget settings, customize the text to say what you intend. Whether it's a bold title or an inspiring quote, make sure it's something that complements your image. Once you have your text, it's crucial to ensure readability against the image. Go to the Style tab in the Heading settings. Here, you can adjust the color of the text. Opting for a color that contrasts with the image will make your text stand out and ensure it's easy on the eyes of your visitors. After fine-tuning the text, consider enhancing its appearance for a more refined look. Under the same Style tab, you'll find typography options. You can adjust the font, size, and weight to fit the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. Perhaps you want the text bold and dynamic or sleek and subtle. Take some time here to get familiar with the options and find what suits your needs best. Finally, once you're satisfied with the text overlay's appearance, don't forget to preview how everything looks. Click on the eye icon at the bottom of the page editor to see your design in action. If you're content with the outcome, go ahead and hit the Publish button. Congratulations, you've successfully created a text overlay image in Elementor. Remember, with practice, you can explore more designs, playing with images, text styles, and positioning to perfect your craft. Enjoy creating.